Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers watching, and that is, guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join, a link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the crypto space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.44 trillion. We're up 0.6% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.5%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing some mild green across the board. But again, guys, Bitcoin is still on a very crucial levels right now, which we will get into in this video. But today, guys, I want to focus more towards Cardano, and then we will get into Bitcoin charts later on. Alright, my Cardano family, if we are looking at the Cardano's price right now, we are currently trading at $1.34. We're up 0.8%, I'm sorry, we're down 0.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 2.9% in Bitcoin comparative in the last 24 hours. Cardano's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 5th spot. Market cap is holding very strong around this $43.1 billion level, and 24-hour trading volume is at $1.45 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, let's not forget, we're still up 935%. So we need to keep this in mind when we are looking at the charts for Cardano. But today I want to share an article with you guys, and then we will come and jump into the price analysis. Alright, so Cardano holders skyrocket as institutional and retail demand for ADA goes through the roof. Cardano emerged as a favorite among America's user on eToro. The number of ADA holders has increased despite a delay in the highly anticipated Alonzo hard fork. Institutional demand for Cardano has significantly increased over the past few months. Grayscale, a leader in the digital currency investing, recently rebalanced its large cap fund, which has offered 335.23% returns. Likewise, retail investors in the US are becoming increasingly confident in the Cardano's potential. On eToro, ADA has replaced Bitcoin by emerging as the most held cryptocurrency in the second quarter of 2021. The social trading platform noted a 51% increase in demand for Cardano compared to the previous quarter. Simon Peters, crypto market analyst at eToro, said during the Q2, Cardano provided a clear roadmap for its upcoming Alonzo hard fork, currently in a testing phase. If successful, it will bring smart contracts functionality by allowing the writing and development of smart contracts for the first time on the Cardano blockchain. This upgrade will be significant as it will enable developers to build projects on the network, helping Cardano to position itself as a real competitor to the likes of Ethereum. And I have been mentioning this for quite a while for you guys. We're starting to see a lot of interest going to ADA rather than other coins such as Ethereum, which has been the biggest blockchain for the longest time. But we're seeing a lot of interest shifting into Cardano, and a lot of people are waiting for this Alonzo hard fork and smart contracts launching. That is going to be very revolutionary for the Cardano ecosystem. And Ethereum, Vitalik came out and said this: there's definitely interesting ideas in there. I do think Cardano takes a bit of a different approach than Ethereum in that they really emphasize having these big academic proofs for everything, whereas Ethereum tends to be more okay with the heuristic arguments, in part because Ethereum is just trying to do more faster, but there are definitely very interesting things that come out of IOHK research, and this is coming from the founder of Ethereum. So, this is an article that is very bullish, and the reason as to why I wanted to share this with you guys is so we get a better understanding. I have mentioned this, I do mention this to you guys on a daily basis whenever I cover Cardano. I say there's a major demand coming not from only the retail side of the spectrum but also the institutional side. And the article that I shared with you guys from the FXS website clearly states that, and it just shows us a better understanding as to what exactly is going on, and it's only going to get bigger as time goes by. A lot of people are calling it, Cardano the next Ethereum, which I possibly think is definitely a fair argument to make, considering the strides that Cardano is making within the cryptocurrency community. And I believe this is just definitely the absolute start. Now, if we are looking at the prices of Cardano, guys, you guys can see we're trading at $1.34.11. Now, you may be coming and asking yourself, or saying, Crypto ZX, why? What's so good about Cardano holding around these levels? We're not going up, skyrocketing. Let's get right into that then. So one thing I want to straight off tell you guys is that you guys know what has been happening with Bitcoin. If you don't, you know what? Let's go look at Bitcoin's price just briefly for a couple minutes, and then we will come and make a price, a conclusion out on Cardano. So if we're looking at Bitcoin's price right now, guys, if you don't know, Bitcoin is definitely the king of the cryptocurrency market. So it is a leading indicator. It decides whatever the market is going to do. So if Bitcoin tends to go towards the downside, we will see, altcoins definitely fall towards the downside as well. Over the last 2 to 3 days, guys, we have been seeing a battle between the bears and the bulls occur in the cryptocurrency space, especially with Bitcoin's price. But as of now, we have not seen a clear winner. We did see bears push the price of Bitcoin below this crucial level of support at this $33,300 mark, and we wicked all the way down to 32,000. But we did see bulls come here and save the day, and right now we're sitting above this level of support at this $33,300 mark. Right now, we're definitely not out of the woods. There's definitely a possibility for us to tumble back towards this downside. And if we break, close below this level, guys, then basically the door is definitely open to go back below $30,000. That's why it's basically a last life support for Bitcoin, in my opinion. Safe and for Bitcoin would be obviously at this $36,295 level, but right now we're not getting enough buying pressure for us to go towards the upside, so we need to keep that in mind as well. So considering all these factors, guys, if you look at this chart for Bitcoin, we come back to Cardano. And one thing I want to point out for you guys is that Cardano is holding very, 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 and I'll say it once again, very strong compared to majority of the altcoins in the crypto space. And now you may be asking, why is that the case? That's where, it comes down to the project itself and how people are really optimistic as to what it is doing and where it is headed in the immediate short term. Not only immediate short term, long term. Yes, we could have newer all-time highs this year, but long-term perspective, guys, I always say this to you guys, long-term perspective, you cannot put a price target on Cardano. Imagine when Ethereum came out. I still remember, it feels like yesterday when I remember Ethereum was trading at $15. And I saw Ethereum go to $200 from there, and from $15 to $200. But now it's trading at $2,300. So you guys get the perspective. Long term, these kind of projects, the ones that revolutionize the crypto space, are definitely here to stay. And with this case, guys, holding would be your best strategy in my personal opinion. But again, not financial advice. So basically, if you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, I believe, patience is your number one key to follow. You won't get rich overnight, because that is very, very rarely, an occurrence. It's very, very rare, but you guys get the picture. You need to have patience, and I believe Cardano is definitely here to stay. So if we're looking at the price, this is why I'm very, very bullish on Cardano. You guys can go for yourself and, verify this. You can go look at any chart. Majority of the altcoins, big altcoins, any altcoin you guys can go look at right now. Majority of the altcoins have retraced very, very low, below even the 78.6, and they're still hovering below this mark. And we have Cardano still into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. So you guys get the picture as to how strong Cardano is holding. And right now, let's bring in the volume indicator. I'm not seeing it here. So so we get to see what is happening. There we go. So right now you guys can see the volume for Cardano is not as high as we would like for it to see. But as soon as we do see some, more buying pressure kick in, along with Bitcoin going towards the upside, I would not be surprised at all if we smash past this resistance at this $1.50 mark and start getting back into this 38.2 and obviously moving back towards all-time highs. I'm very, very confident that we will definitely see newer all-time highs this year for Cardano very, very fast. So right now you guys can see we are having a hard time pushing above this $1.50 mark. Last time we were above it was literally a month ago. We did try to break above it, but we failed to do so, and we have retraced a little bit, but we will see what happens in the upcoming days. But I just want to point one thing out for you guys. Cardano is here to stay. Like considering all the things that I have mentioned, it's definitely here to stay. And if you're in it for the long haul, just stake your Cardano. I think that would be the best bet rather than just holding it and not earning anything off it. You want to be staking your Cardano so you can earn passive income off it, and long term that would definitely benefit you in some sort of way. And once we do break above this level, guys, and if we do have enough buying pressure, then I believe we can easily get back into this 38.6, but we will see what happens. But this is it for today's update. We are holding very, very strongly, but let's keep in mind, if Bitcoin decides to say what's goodbye, I'm heading below 30k, then let's be prepared for us to enter back into this 78.6. And that is just the reality that we have to face. Looking at the staking rewards, you guys can see, guys, I always like showing you guys this total stake value is 70.85% for Cardano circulation supply, and it's only going to get bigger as time goes by. And this goes to show, guys, like, I know a lot of newcomers are coming onto my channel, so I like sharing this with you guys on a daily basis. This goes to show how much level of interest there really is kicking in for Cardano. And as we see this smart contracts appear and get closer and closer, I would not be surprised if we do head towards newer all-time highs very, very fast. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and what are you guys doing right now? Are you guys staking your Cardano? Are you in it for the short term, long term? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And do not forget to come join the Telegram group chat, guys. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. Each and every one of you guys, your support means the world to me. I love each and every one of you guys. And stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. This does help my videos get to a wider audience, so your support would be greatly appreciated. And with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.